There is an alleged foldable iPhone that is circulating in videos on the internet, and now it has made its way into the hands of unbox therapy. Previously on my X account, I shared with you a small clip of a device of this same style that has the Apple logo on the back cover but is a device that a Chinese manufacturer has made. The box reads i15 Pro and integrates several components from Apple's design line, such as the camera module. But they have decided to place a screen in that rear area. However, this is not a smartphone, but only a basic feature phone with the look and aesthetics of a much more modern device. In fact, the hinge looks very simple when the device is completely folded, and actually the outer display is only composed of LED indicators. And on the inner part, it is going to have a keypad like traditional flip phones and a very simple display. So it is very curious that a Chinese manufacturer has taken the decision to develop a device with these features, and we do not know if it will receive a lawsuit from Apple for using its logo.